C is a versatile and influential programming language created by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs in the early 1970s. Known for its efficiency and low-level programming capabilities, C has been the foundation for many other languages, including C++, C#, and Objective-C. It provides a structured, procedural programming approach, offering a balance between high-level abstraction and low-level control over hardware. C is widely used for system programming, developing operating systems, embedded systems, and software applications where performance is critical. Its syntax influenced the development of numerous programming languages, and its standard library provides a set of powerful functions for various tasks. C's portability and ability to interface directly with hardware make it a fundamental language in the programming landscape, continuing to be a preferred choice for many developers and serving as a basis for the foundations of modern computing. Subscribe to be the first to see upcoming videos.